Hey guys, it's Ricky from TechBuds Solutions. So today the team and I traded Line and LNCO. I personally traded LNCO itself. I do want to talk to you guys a little bit more about this stock. So as of yesterday, the news that was released for Line and LNCO, they are sister companies. They filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And what that means is they're going bankrupt. So if you guys see just based on the 2-day period, as of yesterday and today, people lost thousands and thousands of dollars based on holding overnight and opening this day. So let's say you have $10,000. Now you possibly have $4,000 to $5,000 with the same stock you had a couple hours ago. So that's something. If you guys can take anything from this video, I really want to highly encourage that you minimize the times you hold overnight, especially when it comes to penny stocks. So these penny stocks are highly volatile companies, and when it comes to trading them, I mean, you always want to minimize your loss, right? Because when it comes to trading, you're always against like really higher ups. So when it comes to trading penny stocks, I'd highly suggest not holding overnight. You're going to minimize your loss and maximize your profit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So sorry for all those who held overnight. So I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about LNCO. We try to discover the safety nets and the resistance levels right away. If you guys do not know what that is, I'm going to have a little pop-up on the top right-hand corner popping up. Go ahead and click on that video and then join us back just so you guys understand what we're talking about. So safety net again is right about 12 to 12 and a half. And what that means is that the stock wasn't going below it. And resistance level was right about 15 cents. Being able to discover that right away, I was able to hop in right about that 12 and a half cent mark. About $1,000 worth of it sold at 14.9. And with that, I made $178 within 45 minutes of trading, being able to set my limit order to buy and set my limit order to sell. So that was very helpful, very convenient. Because this is a new area for LNCO, I wanted to make sure that, it's still that was going to be the same area of safety, and then this was going to be the same resistance level. So with that being said, I let it fall and I didn't buy in. I wanted to make sure that it stayed above 12.5. So I just played it really safe, and then wanted to make sure that the resistance level is still about that 15-cent mark. So I kind of knew I was playing in the same ballpark. So I was very patient. Told the team I was going to buy in again at 12.9. 12.7. And then right now we're sitting about 12.9 and hopefully going to sell around 14 and a half just to lock in my profits. Today I'm looking about $300 profit, so it's going to be a solid day. It is my day off. And then I'm going to be, enjoying the rest of the day. So let's go back into Line. Line itself has a resistance level about 13 cents. I'm sorry. Safety net right about 13 cents and a strong resistance level at 16 cents. So with that being said, I mean, Line and LNCO are essentially the same company. They kind of fluctuate the same way. Make sure you buy in those, sell at that high price of the 16 cents. Yes, Line and LNCO might end up going back up to the 30 and 40 cents, which I really do believe that it might go back up, just being a really popular penny stock, just like UPO ended up going back up to its old price. But I don't feel comfortable holding overnight for the next couple of days and kind of, maximizing my loss just based on the risk that I'm putting out there. So with that, I'd rather ride it up. I know the safety nets, I know the resistance levels, and hopefully you guys can understand that and make a couple gains for yourself. So another stock that I do want to talk about is Rex. Rex is a stock that we've had on our watch list for quite a bit. Our group member from TechBuds, Javier, let us know that at 74 cents his alert was set, which told us that it might be a good time to buy. I told him to watch out, just Rex being on a decline, since up here. I told him, 72 cents might be a better option, or maybe even lower, just based on this being an old safety net. And with that being said, I mean, right now it's sitting about 71 to 70, or just 71 to 72 cents. So you might want to rethink. It might end up going a little bit lower. Might want to set your limit order to buy around 70 cents and then ride it back up. I'm actually expecting Rex to hit 65 cents just based on the rate that it's declining within the next couple of weeks. So yeah, just keep it on the watch list, but there is definitely high potential for, all these spikes that it has, but there's also a lot of bleeding, so just be safe. So that's essentially just it for the technical analysis. I do want to let you guys know when I talk about groups, I am talking about TechBuds Solutions, so feel free to join us on Facebook. It is a free group you can join. Right now we're sitting about 48 members, and then we have our GroupMe Messenger that is where we talk and communicate with one another when it comes to executing our trades. So Zach, he's a huge part of TechBuds Solutions. He's very just how do you say it? He's just very involved with the group overall, always putting like wise words of wisdom and kind of encouraging all the new traders to get into it, be safe, and he kind of brings in a different point of view when it comes to trading. He's very like just he's very knowledgeable about what he trades, and that's a great benefit and great asset to TechBuds itself. And Kevin, he's a new trader, ended up making $200 in 30 minutes, and that's great. I mean, him being able to shout us out, letting us know that we were part of his success. I'm just so blessed. I'm so happy to be able to be part of your guys' success. So I just want to encourage you guys. I mean, if you guys have ever been interested in trading penny stocks, this is the group to join. I mean, we're a bunch of young individuals who love networking with one another. And it's not just trading stocks that we do. I mean, yeah, that is mainly what we focus on. But me, myself, I mean, I do real estate investment. I do different types of investments that can kind of lead to your guys' success as well. I mean, so I'm just here to network with you and kind of help you guys grow. So if you guys do not know me, I mean, I'm 21 years old right now. My name's Ricky, and I'm pretty much the one that started TechBud Solutions. So right now I'm 21. I bought a house at age 20, and then I bought my Nissan GTR 2012 at age 21. So I'm not saying I'm wealthy or anything like that. I'm just saying that being able to surround myself with a bunch of like-minded individuals can kind of lead to your success. Being able to be involved with people who have the same mindset as you. So if you surround yourself with people who are successful, you're more likely to be successful. Just I give a huge thanks to all those people that have been part of my success, and I'm just so blessed to be able to share all this knowledge with you guys, and I just want to see you guys grow. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I do upload quite a bit of videos on YouTube. If you guys can, I'd really appreciate the subscription.
I turn the Ritz into a pool house. It's like eviction number 4 now.